Meet the Mildon ceramic disc spindle, engineered for smooth, reliable performance. Designed as a precision assembly, every component works together to deliver smooth operation and dependable reliability. With the product prepared, let's walk through the recommended installation procedure. Before you begin, confirm that the property uses a suitable pressurized water system, as this spindle is not designed for low pressure or gravity-fed hot water installations. Isolate the water supply completely before proceeding. If you're unsure about any part of the installation, contact a licensed plumber. Gather the recommended tools before you begin. Remove the existing components to expose the valve seat. Inspect the valve seat for damage before installation. Reseat the valve if required, then remove all debris before continuing. Install the spindle, tighten securely, then refit the bonnet with the sealing washer. Flush the system, inspect for leaks, and confirm smooth operation and adequate water flow. Reassemble the spindle and complete one final operational check. With correct installation and a compatible pressurized water system, the spindle is ready for dependable long-term performance. Mildon, designed with precision, engineered for reliability.